Okay, so today we're gonna go over some more stuff on linear inequalities. So for linear inequalities, we are looking where two graphs overlap. So if I have the graph y is greater than negative 3/2 x plus 3, okay, I know that happens to be red line because that's the only one that has a negative slope. I'm just gonna draw my lines like this. Boom. And I'm going to use blue. Okay. Now, I see that my other equation says that y is less than 2x plus 5. Okay, for this one, I'm going to use red. And now, that means I'm going to draw where everything is less. I'm going to draw lines again. Boom. Okay. Boom. And I don't care if I go over that red line, okay? And so, I just want to make sure I don't go over the blue line, but the red line okay, and so now, what I'm going to do, so now I have that whole area graphed. And now I'm going to come in here and erase everything that's not both red and blue. Because I'm looking where the two inequalities meet. Okay, and so, and that's just how I do this since I can see it here. You guys don't have to erase anything. But now once I'm done, I'm saying, what this is saying is that my solution, it could be this black dot, right? My solution could be this black dot here. Could be this dot here, this dot here, this dot here, that dot here, and that dot there, okay? But it couldn't be, even though it fits my red, it couldn't be that green dot. It's not one of those. Or it can't be this green dot either because it only satisfies one of the inequalities. I need to make sure I satisfy both inequalities when I have a system of linear inequalities. And so what I'm looking for is where the two areas overlap to build my system of inequalities.